Every day, workers around the world put their lives at risk to perform visual inspections in complex environments. Their work demands tools that stand for simplicity, precision, and high reliability to maintain capital-intensive assets. This is Elios 2, made for indoor inspection. It's the most intuitive, reliable, and precise drone designed for the tough jobs. Imagined by top inspection professionals, brought to life by our engineers, it's built to keep workers out of harm's way, gain efficiency, and drive costs down. Elios 2 is remarkably intuitive to fly, making anyone feel like a seasoned pilot right from the first flight. Take razor-sharp close-up images in GPS-denied environments, in dark and troubled airflows, beyond line of sight. Follow long and repetitive features, welding or beams. Elios 2 remains at the right distance autonomously. Fly reliably in confined spaces, go around corners and capture every inch of the most complex asset. Lightning-fast corrections on the propeller's speed and rotation direction keep Elios 2 stable at any time. When it comes to certified visual inspections, data is what matters. So we've placed Elios 2's payload in the front cage opening, fitted with a thermal and a 4K camera side by side. 12-megapixel still and video recording gives you stunning detailed images with 0.18 millimeters per pixel resolution to spot the tiniest cracks from floor to ceiling. The Elios 2 features the most powerful and intelligent lighting system ever built on a commercial drone. 10,000 lumens of light give you an increased situational awareness in large spaces. Indirect dust-proof lighting allows you to traverse dirty places without losing sight of your objective. Detecting pitting and cracks has never been easier. An oblique lighting mode reveals the texture of surfaces by creating shadows in all asperities. Because failure is not an option, a robust wireless system carries full HD live video feedback, allowing you to perform real-time inspections and make sure you always leave the site with a complete data set. The Elios 2 optimizes the way you work, from flight planning to data analysis. Preparing reports, taking 2D measurements, or building 3D models only takes a few clicks. A modular design makes Elios 2 easy to service and minimizes the reasons to ever send your drone back to Flyability. The Elios 2, a major asset for those who care for their workers' safety, processes efficiency, and operating costs.